So using our LentiBlast reagent, this allowed us to increase our transduction efficiency and produce more of our CAR T-cell product. Hi, my name is Erin Cole and I'm a recent Ph.D. graduate, earning my Ph.D. in biomedical sciences at Albert Einstein College of Medicine here in New York. So for our study recently published in Science Advances, we use our LentiBlast Premium reagent offered by OZ Biosciences. And we use this reagent for the generation of CD19 specific and HIV specific CAR T cells. Specifically, we use LentiBlast in order to enrich and enhance our transduction efficiency in the CAR T cell generation process. So using our LentiBlast reagent, this allowed us to increase our transduction efficiency and produce more of our CAR T cell product. Therefore, it allowed us to scale up our CAR T cell generation in order to have enough CAR T cells to use for our in vivo mouse studies that we'll use throughout our paper. One result that really stood out to me throughout this paper was when we compared our CD19 specific CAR T cells, comparing our cytokine scaffold generated CAR T cells and our traditional antibody generated CAR T cells. And we were able to show that our novel cytokine scaffold CAR T cells enhanced the longevity of the CAR T cells, and they lasted much longer in vivo than the traditional generated CAR T cell counterparts. This work has then led to several new directions in our lab, one of which that I'm currently investigating is evaluating the use of these novel cytokine scaffolds for the generation of in vivo lentiviral delivery, so the creation of CAR T cells directly within our mouse models. The specific challenge that our lab was facing, where we turned to our LentiBlast reagent, was in order to address issues with transduction efficiency. Previously, our lab was using other commercial products to increase our transduction efficiency, and we were getting very low transduction levels in generating our CAR T cells. When we switched to LentiBlast, we get a much larger transduction efficiency, and therefore this allowed us to generate CAR T cells more quickly and more readily, and really allowed us to move these projects forward. This technology, LentiBlast, was instrumental in the production of a CAR T cell, which allowed us to then make the framework for our entire paper. Without using this reagent, we would not have been able to generate our CAR T cells efficiently, and then would not have been able to compare them to our novel cytokine scaffold. As a result, this paper definitely could not be published without the use of this novel reagent.